Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. Did you know that when someone hears your song for the first time, you have about 5 seconds to grab their attention? What that boils down to in this media-saturated world is every second and every element of your song needs to count if you want people to listen. So don't waste your song's intro. Try and make it interesting. And it doesn't have to be some amazing hooky riff. Remember You're Beautiful by James Blunt, where the vocals come in and then stop? It sounds like a mistake, but of course it's not. It was a fake out, a subtle way of getting the listener's attention. Think about, say, a football game when a player fakes right and then goes left. Then think about how you could apply that same idea to a song. You might come up with the intro to You're Beautiful. Have a think about how surprise is created in other areas and what could the musical equivalent be. It's about getting creative and using some lateral thinking to think outside the box. Start by asking yourself, what doesn't belong here? The only limit is your imagination. Catch you next time.